Bro, who let this cat in the DIY store? Hold up, bro. I saw him in the DIY store and I see this cat. Cat, what's up, bro? Cat, let's leave now, okay? You good? We good. Okay, we good. Yo, we better fuck out of here, dude. He's probably fucking chasing you right now. Oh shit. Cat. Bro, you have 14 bucks? Cat. What's up, cat? What's good? Okay, he just doesn't want to talk. It's weird how there is a cat in the store. I mean, it say cats on premises. Gotta find the second one. There's another one in here. He said that it's on the front register. Sponsored by Jinko. What's up, cat? What's good? Psst, 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 psst.